What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the B23 Financial Academy. We hope all of our videos have found you well thus far. This will be video 2 in our support and resistance trading series, in which we hope to teach or further expand on your knowledge regarding what support and resistance is and how you can trade it on a day-to-day basis. In video 1, we outlined that support and resistance are areas in the market where price has touched at least twice or more. We further expanded on that regarding how supports can turn into resistance and resistance can turn into supports, how candlestick body breaks are important in that regard. So in this video, we will just delve further into that, hopefully to give you a better understanding and more examples regarding how you can go about trading that. So we're going to start with supports and resistance flips. Right off the bat, we have support touch 1 here. We have support touch 2, right? Hope we can all agree. Support touch 1, support touch 2. All right, let's just move to the right. We then have support touch 3 all the way over here. Yeah, right. And then here's the key. The candlestick body break. Not a spike, but a clean candlestick body break of support. I'll just do this. Clean candlestick body break. This is the key. The support area was broken by a body or clean body candlestick, not a spike. This is key because whenever this occurs, it gives us a higher probability of the swap zone playing out. So before we go into resistance, we had support touch 1, support touch 2, valid support area, support touch 3, right? Clean candlestick body break, price went down, down. Now to signify or to tell us that we have swapped or we have changed from support to resistance, we have resistance touch 1, resistance touch 2. So I'll just type this in now. We have resistance touch 1 and resistance touch 2. And then you can call this a swap zone. You can call it a swap zone or support resistance flip. Simplified would just be SR flip. So that's how you would go about trading swap zones or support resistance flips or support and resistance. You can either, okay, we had support touch 1, support touch 2. When price approaches the same area for the third time, you can either buy on touch 3 or wait for a clean candlestick body break. Once that happens, you just get ready to sell at the swap level or the swap zone or the flip in terms of resistance. We had 2 touches in this instance. Since then, price has dropped. I hope it makes sense. And we'll move on to example 2. Okay, example 2, similar situation. We have supports here, support touch 1, support touch 2, clean candlestick body break. We have resistance touch 1 in this case, just one touch of resistance, and then price dropped. I hope it makes sense. And then below that, we have another example. We have support touch 1, clean candlestick body break, resistance touch 1, resistance touch 2, price dropped. Still, it's an SR flip. It's a swap zone. Same here, SR flip, swap zone. Price just repeats itself. It's a matter of you knowing and understanding how to go about trading these zones. I hope it makes sense. If I'm being too quick, just notify me on the Telegram group. The link is on the bottom left corner of your screen. Or if there's something you'd like me to further expand on, feel free to contact me there. The Telegram group is free. There's no hidden costs or strings attached. Feel free to subscribe if you've learned something of value or if you're learning something of value from our videos. Okay, I think this example was done in video 1, in which case we had resistance touch 1, clean-ish, not really clean, it's clean-ish. We had a clean-ish candlestick body break, and then price went up, switched to support, resistance support flip, swap zone, candlestick body break is key in all of this. Do we have one more example to make? Let's see, can we find something else? Oh, okay. There's one more example here. We have, let me just delete this for now. Right here we have support touch 1. Support touch 1, support touches 2 and 3. Support touches 2 and 3. Zoom in. We have a clean-ish candlestick body break. We have a cleanish candlestick body break, and then we have resistance touch 1 swap zone right here. Right, yeah, let me go down to M15. Maybe we'll have a better view on it. Yeah, right there. Price retested the same area. This is the clean candlestick body break on H1, so don't get it confused. Price retested the same area as resistance, resistance touch 1. This is still our swap zone. Here are the support touches, the resistance touches there, just so you don't get confused. And this, as we've said before, is a support resistance flip or a swap zone. It happens over and over and over again. It's just a matter of you understanding how to identify them, how to spot them, and how to trade them. Trading them is not really that difficult. You just need to identify a clean, okay, I'll make an example here. With this, We have supports touch 1, right? Right here. We have support touch 1. We have, or we had, clean candlestick body break. In this case, the market is still down here. It may come back at some point to retest it. Maybe, we don't know. But how you would go about trading this is you had support touch 1, clean candlestick body break. Once price gets to this zone, you sell with a reasonable stop loss. Reasonable is subjective. I don't know what your trading account balance is. Sell with good risk management. Right here, an example of that. So say now price were to do something like that, you would sell at this point or at this market price with good risk management. Maybe you risk about maybe your risk appetite is 120 pips. So once price gets here, you'd risk about 120 pips. So let's see, 614 plus 120 is 834. So your stop loss would be around this area. Your stop loss would be around this area. Potential take profits, since we're switching from support to resistance, let's just use a 1-to-3 risk ratio. So potential reward 360 pips. So your take profit, let me just double check, would be around somewhere there, if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm lying. Somewhere here. Which isn't bad. If you're risking 120 pips to make 360, it's a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, which isn't bad. So this is how you would go about trading the support resistance flips or resistance support flips. Maybe we can do one more example. Let's see. Where's the closest one? Okay, another example would have been, let's see. Let me just move it to 15 minutes. All right, so we had resistance touch 1, resistance touch 1, resistance support flip. This is the zone you would look to buy in. Here's the clean candlestick body break. And then this would be your flip zone right here. These two would be your buy opportunity. So that's basically how you would go about trading support and resistance from our perspective. Some traders use zones instead of horizontal lines, like they do something like this. They regard this entire area as resistance, which is fine. Everybody has their own trading style. They regard this entire area as resistance, not just a specific price point. They would regard this as support, which is okay. It's just a matter of how you understand the market and what works best for you. So feel free to subscribe to our Telegram group. It's free. We share a lot of information there, not just trading videos, but also trading psychology books, mental books, things of that nature. Please leave a like on the video if you've learned something of value. Subscribe if you're new. It's been Mr. B23 signing out.